Are you looking for the best cordless drills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Cordless Drill Combo Kit. If there were ever a drill combo worth having, it's this one from DeWalt. You have their 20V lithium-ion powered cordless drill partnered with their state-of-the-art impact driver that's never seen a surface it couldn't drive a screw into. Together, they provide you not only flexibility, but the ability to take on a range of projects both easy and arduous. The 3-light LED array delivers illumination where you need it and does so in a shadow-free fashion, so you get a clear look at what you're doing, while the cordless drill driver will allow you access to places most any other cordless drill just can't. For more amazing options like this, check out our guide to the best oscillating tools. Up next in the 4th place is the BLACK+DECKER 20V MAX cordless drill. The BLACK+DECKER cordless drill has a total of 10 clutch settings for a variety of drilling and fastening tasks. And so, whether you want to drill through a metallic, wooden, or plastic surface, this machine has got you covered. And with its custom speed, you can always adjust the drilling speed to a maximum of 800 RPM, based on the thickness of the surface you are working on. Another top quality feature of the BLACK+DECKER cordless drill is the flexibility of its matrix system, which facilitates easy and faster repairs, while staying in line with the core values of BLACK+DECKER. In fact, you can change from one attachment to another within a few seconds, as the machine is compatible with a reciprocating saw, impact driver, trimming saw, and detail sander. This makes the drill suitable for any kind of carpentry operation you want to perform. So if you consider the money you would have spent on purchasing these different power tools for a project, then you will understand why the BLACK+DECKER cordless drill is loved by many. In comparison to the DeWalt CT225R cordless drill, the BLACK+DECKER drill is quite smaller and lighter. In fact, with its weight of 3.15 pounds and measurement of 8.9 x 4 x 7.8 inches, it's safe to refer to this machine as one of the lightest and smallest cordless drills you can find anywhere. And as for its power source, the machine is powered by a 20V max lithium-ion battery that can last for over 18 hours if it's fully charged. A perfect addition to your power tool set. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita CT225R 18V cordless drill. The Makita CT225R cordless drill is ideal for persons who need high-quality drilling equipment for their household projects. Also, anybody carrying out large construction work will find this machine very handy and convenient. A vital aspect of the Makita CT225R drill is that it comes with a brushless motor that helps it to run smoothly by removing carbon brushes. Also, if you are bothered by the overheating tendency of most electrical drills, then you are in luck. The Makita CT225R drill does not overheat, hence, it will definitely last longer. Plus, it produces minimal noise, so you can perform your drilling or fastening operation without disturbing the peace of others around you. Additionally, the Makita CT225R uses an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery to power the brushless motor. And this battery takes less than a half hour to be completely charged, after which you can use it for over 2 hours. This is made possible by virtue of the fast optimum charger, which facilitates current, voltage, and temperature control. Furthermore, the machine is also fitted with an LED indicator, so you can easily tell if the drill is fully charged or not. Also worth mentioning is the carrying bag of the Makita CT225R, which houses the drill, charger, and batteries. While the drill itself weighs only 2.2 pounds, the battery accounts for an additional weight of 1.2 pounds. Notwithstanding, the machine is still considerably light and compact, with a dimension of 5.2 x 19.3 x 13 inches. Also, Do not forget that the drill comes with a 3-year warranty, while its battery and charger bag just 1-year warranty. You may also be interested in some of the best rotary tools from our list, so check them out. Second on our list is the DeWalt MAX cordless drill. The DeWalt DCD771C220V lithium-ion compact cordless drill driver kit provides the pro and dedicated DIer alike the ability to bring the right amount of force to bear on tasks large and small. The DeWalt's 2-speed transmission provides tactical versatility, while the unit itself is as easy on the forearms as it is on your wallet. Not that it matters to most guys, but this may be the best-looking cordless drill on the market at any price. Be sure to also check our guide to the best laser measuring tools for more great items like this. Finally, the top product on our list is the Worx Switchdriver cordless drill. The Worx Switchdriver cordless drill is the kind of cordless power tool that makes so much sense you wonder why you don't have one already. How many man-hours have been spent in the last 50 years stopping to replace this bit with that one, and then stopping to switch them back again? The short answer is more than anyone can count. That incredibly inefficient practice has finally met its match with the Worx Switchdriver cordless drill and driver. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.